Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to the channel. So friends, this video is very important for 23-24 as well as for the 20-21 batch. First of all, IBM is not mentioned that they are hiring currently for 2024 batch. If you check the recent application, so they just mentioned that they want a bachelor's degree. So 21, 22, 23 batch has a bachelor's degree. 2024 batch is still in the college. So don't apply for this opportunity. Otherwise, in the upcoming month, if they will announce the mass hiring, so you will be not eligible because they have your all of the data in their database. So this is one of the most important point. And what about the 10th August examination of IBM? So in this video we will discuss about all the important points. So let's start the video. Okay, so one of the most important point that I have to mention that like so many candidates are DM me on Instagram as well as on the YouTube comment section that 2024 batch is eligible for this hiring or not. So 2024 batch is not eligible because in the required education they just mentioned that they want a bachelor's degree. Okay, so one of the most important point that I have to mention that if you are from 2023 batch, if you are from 2024 batch, okay, so if the opportunity, अगर opportunity में mention है कि आप particular eligible हैं, then you can only apply for that opportunity, otherwise don't apply. Okay, because there is a cooling period of particular 3 month or 6 month of some companies. कूलिंग पीरियड का मतलब ये होता है कि मान लीजिए आपने किसी जॉब में अप्लाई करा है, ठीक है, तो इसके बाद आप 3 मंथ या 6 मंथ तक वापस दूसरी अपॉर्चुनिटी में अप्लाई नहीं कर सकते ऑफ सेम एमएनसी. ओके, अदरवाइज दे विल नॉट कंसिडर योर एप्लीकेशन. सो दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट. सो बहुत सारे कैंडिडेट्स के मैसेजेस आ रहे थे. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू माई एक्सपीरियंस 2024 बैच इज़ नॉट एलिजिबल. बट वॉट अबाउट द 23 to 2021 batch hiring? Okay, so basically IBM is currently received the application of candidates and it is on the portal it is shown that it is under review. So basically they are currently reviewing our application. So there are so many important points that first is application form, second is basically the process that is related to the application received, third is interview, fourth is hired, and fifth is the basically joining letter process or you join the company. Okay, so basically they are currently reviewing your application and there is a timelines for the examination. So still no mail is received. Okay, I talked to so many candidates, no one is received exam mail for the associate role. Okay, basically this hiring is for the associate. So basically this type of mail is also received by some of the candidates, but this is for the 10th August software engineer hiring. So this hiring is totally different from this. Okay, because candidates even not received any type of exam mail from some of the days, so we have to wait for some days. Okay, and if your application is shortlisted by the IBM team, definitely they will send you exam mail. Okay, so this is the process that is related to the examination mail. And I have to mention one of the most important point. You can check on the career portal itself that we applied for the job opportunity. Okay, if your profile is shortlisted, only they will send you the examination mail. Still I only received this type of mail 3 days ago, and after that I not received any type of mail from the IBM team. They are checking our application and we have to wait for the particular time. Okay, so if you are uploading any of the document to the IBM portal, so they not mention that like it is necessary. Okay, because if it is necessary, so they will mention that you can upload the document. So if you are uploading the document, like I upload this, so this is a file successfully added, but in the document section you have not document at this time. Okay, so it will be shown as 0. So the application is just in the review process, so there is no need to upload the particular document on the IBM portal. This is one of the most important point, okay, because some of the other YouTubers are mentioning that like you have to upload the documents on the portal, okay, so you will got the shortlisted mail. So this is totally wrong, okay. This is the one of the most important point. If you can upload, if they want your documents, so they will contact you on your mail, but we have to particularly wait for the test mail. First test process आएगी, उसी के बाद एग्जाम होगी, okay. So don't do the mistake 2023-2024 batch, and I hope this video is useful for everyone. If you have any doubt, let me know that in the comment section. Like and share the video with your friends. Thanks for watching the video.